Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be sharing the latest release from Syberia, and I will just get into it because it's a ton of fun new products. So the first new product that I wanted to share with you is this beautiful Happy Easter stamp and coordinating die set. You can see all of the beautiful and cute images. You can also see the sentiments that are quite punny. So that is always fun. I love this Hello Spring, Happy Easter, you crack me up, that is cute. And then you have all of these beautiful bunnies and baskets and a carrier and a ladybug and some grass and flowers and butterflies and carrots and everything Easter related. And this release is the same week as Easter. So you could always save this for next year or just create some fun thank you cards with it. I think that would be nice. So there you go, you get some coloring inspiration as well on the back. I just love that. And then we have another very beautiful stamp set in this release. This one is Tulips in Bloom. And you can see the beautiful drawings of these tulips. And you can also see some butterflies. You have some beautiful scripty sentiments. Thanks, with love, wishing you a beautiful day, you make my heart flutter, and so on. And you can see some coloring inspo on the back. I think that was cute to stamp the butterflies in colored ink. I think that would be super cute. And you can see some more coloring inspiration on this back of the die set. And what I love about Alex dies is that they are coming detached, so they are ready to use directly. So that is really nice. And then we have this one. This is just a standalone stencil, and it's called Spring Tulips. And you can see the beautiful tulips here. So you have layer 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it builds up this cute image. And I think you can really mix and match your beautiful sentiments from this tulip set with this one. So really gorgeous. And then we have some fun standalone products. So first off we have the Essential Sentiments. You can see how cute this is. You have Best, a gift for you, wishes, hello, happy birthday, congrats, friend, just a note. And you can see how cute these dies are. They are quite small, so they would really nest in well on any project that you are creating. And then we have the Spring Clover die set. This might not look much, but this is one of the ones that I am most excited about using. You can see on the back what it actually creates. So these are really unique and fun, and I can't wait to play with color choices here to really build up that fun dimension and look. So this is really a must-have, I think, in your stash. I don't have anything similar to this in my stash. Sorry about my voice. And then we have 3 really cool and new sort of coordinating products. So first off, I think this is the best one to share with you first. Spring Meadow Die. So I hope the camera is sort of picking up. That is a bunny here and another one here. A large butterfly, a little bird, and then ton of flowers. There is also a ladybug in here. And if you turn it, you can see what it actually cuts. I hope you can see that. And also what you can get if you're using the stencil set. So this is the stencil set. So you get 4 layers for this one also. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that builds up all of these images in the set. So these two could interact with each other. But then you have another really fun element, and these are the bunnies. Both of them with some layering pieces for the ears. Some flowers, butterfly, ladybug, and that beautiful large butterfly in the middle. So this is what I actually will create, and I think this is a new unique look. So you can actually have this cut out, and then you can raise up all of these images on top of it just to really make certain elements pop, and you can have the other one sort of colored in the background. So I really need to play around with this one, and I have to say the color combinations on these are stunning. I would never have ever paired these colors together, but I think it really works nicely. So I am tempted to use the exact same ones just to try it out. I think this also is really gorgeous with that sort of teal green color and the purple and that pink. really nice. So I have to play around more with colors. I'm really seeing it when I'm seeing the packaging of these, that I love it and that I need to play more. So I hope you enjoyed this overview of the latest release from Syberia. I will be back with ton of inspiration, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you soon. Bye! So I thought I would share with you how I created one card using this new collection, and I started off by cutting out from white paper the Spring Meadow die, and I will use it together with the Spring Meadow stencils. So you can see I'm carefully lining this part up, and you can see how nicely that fits on top of our cut piece. You can do it the other way around as well. Cut first, or sorry, ink first and then cut after, but it's easier to line up the second layer if you're doing it cutting first and then inking up, I think. So I'm using 2 tones of colors for my flowers here. You can see I have 1 flower left that I will use, and I also have 1 purple and 1 pink flower. You can see here how it looks when I'm removing it. I'm using a grip mat just to keep my stencils and cut out piece in place so it doesn't shift on me when I am creating. So now comes the leaves, and I started with a teal and then a blue color, so that's my combination in 2 tones for this project. I think that turned out nicely, and then we can create our sort of orange flowers as well. I was careful and just inked off my colors before moving on to the next one there, so I didn't contaminate the colors. Here I will have a green color combination. You will see I will actually leave some white space because I think it looks nice with that green and white. So I'm doing this kind of messy, but I really like how it turned out. I went in with a little darker green here, and by the way, I'm using my small ink cubes from Lawn Fawn when I am creating today, and taking the exit color off and then carefully peeling this away. And then comes the flower and the rest of the animals, so they are all on 1 layer. So my little birdie up here will be blue and purple, and then I will go in with some gray shades for my bunny and the little butterfly, no sorry, the ladybug, pink and yellow, and I believe I will turn my butterfly pink and yellow as well because I think that turned out super cute. I did that off camera. We are peeling off the last layer. I took this piece outside because I didn't want to do it inside, and just spritzed that with a ton of glitter. And then I also heat set a sentiment from the Hoppy Easter set. This is also one of the newer one. And I will have my sentiment just white heat embossed on black paper and a black background and some embellishment to finish this project off. I hope you enjoyed this video and got a look at the new products from Syberia. I will have links down below for the blog hop that will be celebrating this release, and also links to the products I used in this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I see you soon.